This is our family engagement 5th grade reading, read, write, and play pack. This kit is chock full of engaging resources to get your learners excited, and you can even take it home to build that school-home connection and get parents involved in what the students are learning, which is sure to help the learners get even more excited. This kit comes in a sturdy carry handle bag for easy school to home sending. That way, the kids have a safe way to make sure all materials stay together, go back and forth, and they can learn wherever they are. These kits have so much hands-on learning that we know it's going to aid in learning recovery. It's been a tough few years, and the more we can get kids connected and excited, the more they're going to bounce back and really enjoy including reading in their everyday lives. This kit comes with a 24-page guide, and this guide is in both English and Spanish, again for easy connection with the families. There's a family letter, a little information on the 4 C's, tips from the classroom, and tips to build reading skills. And we find that sending this information home helps parents feel like they're a part of the classroom community and helps them engage in what's going on and really want to support their learners and support all the learning goals that your teachers have. So the more information you can provide the parents, the more they're going to get involved, and this is the great way to do that. This guide will also walk them through how to use each piece. So it'll give some ideas and instructions for each one, and also give extension activities that will help them take it further or use it in a more fun, unexpected way to help develop that connection with their students. So first we showed the dry erase mats. This kit will provide 3 double-sided dry erase mats for double the fun. And we know that not all families will have a dry erase marker at home, so we provide that right in the kit to set the students up for success. So this will help them with concise writing, developing questions, and doing the research. It will help them develop detail and even plot timelines, events, and help them talk about them in a meaningful way. It will also include a journal. In this kit, there's a daily response journal, which offers prompts every day that get the kids excited about writing. So for example, this one is Movie Star Monday. If you could star in a movie, which one would it be? So it's an interesting prompt that gets them writing, and they can take it in any direction they choose. The kit will also include a game for 2 to 4 players. This one is a cause and effect literacy game. And we love including the games, especially for families, because students connect, talk with their family, laugh, and they don't even know they're learning. It's a lot of fun. And these kits also include 10 double-sided task cards. And the spotlight on this one is all about making inferences and what can you infer. So this skill is amazing for children in 5th grade because it helps them say, how do I know what I know? And think a little bit deeper about the knowledge they bring in and how that makes connections to what they do in the classroom. So what would you know if you saw a plane ticket? If you saw balloons, what might you think is going on, and what inferences can you make? So throughout these cards, they have different ways of interacting with the what can you infer chips. So they can learn about perspective and taking all the chips and saying, what might I know about someone who has these? Or what might someone else think about that? And what view can you take? And it helps when you talk about text because it's all transferable. Looking at different points of views and being able to play it out in a game and hands-on really helps them carry over that knowledge into the classroom. So this guide, beyond walking you through each piece, also has a 30-day calendar of activities for families to help them connect, help them engage, and helps parents know just what to do to help support your learning goals. It also has a page of learning goals here. So what it's important to tell parents is students are going to progress at their own level, and that's okay. But they will all receive this high quality instruction with all of these materials that will engage them and get them excited and reach their fullest potential.